I'm waiting for Rondon, aka always late. Sam's just adjusting his brake, and then we should be able to make some sick features here because there's a nice bit of land just behind me. I think you've got all of this as well. So yeah, we'll get some sick features and hopefully get a bit of a track going. Stay tuned. Safety first, kids. Boyo. You alright? Good, how are you? Rondon's in the digger. Sam's on the quad. Trying to flatten out this berm, get it dialed in. Do you have a license for this, bud? Go on, Sean. Go, Sean. Oh! For it. I don't think. Oh my god, he made it. Jeez! It's literally like watching GTA. So we're just doing one of these big berms now. He's just filling in the holes. We're going to go over it with the quad a few times, flatten it down. Yeah, and then we'll move on to something else. We'll ride it and test it and adjust. I'm buzzing for this one. Pretty much done. And then what we're going to do is put another berm in at the back with like a whoopee sort of straight here, back into the line. Will's dad's just ripping out the gates with the digger, and then we'll get on with it. Lucky to have all of this here, to be fair. This little thing's coming clutch today, but there's going to be another sort of track going around the lake there. He's just flattening out the tabletop a little bit because it was quite spicy. He's coming with his massive front up. Hey! Gonna film the other boys having a go now. Sam's just squaring up. Oh, nice. Rondon, in with the wheelie. Damn. Your turn. I don't think completely flat. You greased it, yeah, it was good. His Surron's still pending. But soon you'll be in the videos, won't you? With a Surron. Something like that. That we just finished doing today. Bearing in mind we are just novices, we've never used diggers before. And it's a work in progress, so yeah, I'm going to start on this one. Burn, jump, up this one, bit of air, back over the skinny one. Trying to get the husky running. While those charge. Gonna give it a toe, bump it. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but those kids have got guns and they're walking through Will's land.
Oh, no.
You do? Oh, it's alright. Rondon knows them. So guys, both my phone battery and the GoPro batteries died, so we were actually at the compound for 8 hours doing riding as well as digging, so we're gonna have to cut it short. But if you want to see more of the track building content, we plan on making a full pit bike style track at the compound, which is going to be great. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Stingy Roger. If you're new around here, smash that subscribe button, I really would appreciate that. And yeah, follow Rondon on Instagram and YouTube. He's got a video on his YouTube channel which has gone quite viral recently. I think it's at about 40,000 views. Yeah, that's just at Ron-Don. And also follow Ronnie. His Instagram is at ebike_parts_shop. But yeah, thanks for the support and we'll see you next week.